Hi guys, this is Stephanie from Doggie, and today I wanted to show you the MalsiPree's Dog Water Bottle. This is a perfect gift if you have any dog lover friends, or even if you have a doggy at home. This is perfect for you. This is the 19-ounce water bottle. It holds a lot of water and it's easy to carry around when you're on the go. When you go on long walks with your dog, it's a hassle to bring everything for them to be comfortable and hydrated. But this, it makes it a lot easier because you don't have to bring your dog bowl, water, everything, it's in here. You just have to press the little button that it has a pull on it. You press it, it will let all the water into the little bowl for them to drink. After they're done drinking, you press it again and it will release all the water back inside. That is the feature that I like the most about this product because there's no waste. You can reuse the water and it's very practical. I love that it has a lanyard that you can put it around your wrist so you can carry. What I do is I clip the lanyard into my dog's leash to make it easier for me to carry. I like that it has the lock, so when you're putting in your purse, you just lock it before so there's no spillage or any leakage into your purse, or even if you put it in your car. I also like that it fits actually my cup holder. My car, sometimes my waters don't fit into my car cup holder, but this actually fits. So I was very happy to know that it can fit in my cup holder too. I'm sure that your doggies are gonna love this water bottle as much as my dog has, but that is just my point of view.